Here's a simple way to create stunning mockup images for your clients as an upcoming graphic designer. Hop on to Flair AI and sign up for a free account, and you can start your mockup journey here. The UI of the website is so user-friendly that you can simply start to create your mockups instant. Once you're done with your sign up, hop onto the assets and you can choose to either upload or use the assets that are already existing there if you find images or products that are similar to that of those of your clients. Next is placing the shot and generating the image that you are looking for. So for this, you can modify your images with assets that are already built in Flair AI. You can even use hands or even people in your images, or you can use text prompts to generate the kind of shot that you want to. Like here, I'm going to use this Starbucks cup to be placed on top of a mountain, and let's see how that looks like. Now, wow, this does look stunning. What a simple two-step procedure to create stunning mock-up images like this. This may not be the final product that you want to give your clients, but it can definitely create inspiration for you. If you do find this useful, make sure to share this with your friends, leave a thumbs up, and see you in the next one.